Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a video with Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started. But first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to go ahead and log into your Google account to be able to use Gemini. If you do not, you're not going to be able to send your prompts. So once you've logged in, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we can get started with uploading our prompts. So creating a video with Gemini is as easy as chatting. So using Gemini's video models like Gemini, Omni, or Veo, you can generate new clips from text or edit existing videos using simple commands. So after opening up Gemini, getting to the prompt page right here, we can get started with the video or add file section. So you have the plus button right here that's going to enable you to go ahead and use the canvas option right here and create option for images and photos. So you can upload your photos that you want to turn into videos. So you can either do that or you can give it a prompt right here to make a video, and then you're going to give it a detailed explanation of what kind of video you want, if you want it to be mountains, nature, and so on. After that, click the arrow button right here that's going to enable you to submit the prompt. Gemini is going to create it and show it in the chat, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.